Love you. Yeah.
Is that a gate?
Well, I don't know if it's a gate, but I don't, even if it was open, I don't think I can make it up that. That's steep as hell. I don't think I can make it up. Holy shit, I can't believe I made it. Oh. Okay, well, I guess we're done. Private property.
Yes, we gotta go back down when we just came up. We worked so hard to come up it.
Yep. I'm going to name this one the roller coaster. Holy buckets. Come on, Georgie. Come on.
Can you help me crank it?
Can I push back here?
Yeah.
Am I on your hand?
Yeah, but go ahead. You're fine. Just go ahead and do it. Yeah, that's what I needed help.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. Wrapped over there, and then I didn't have the muscle to turn it back.
Well, you knew I thought there could be a problem.
Yeah.
You know, but when you're on that, you should probably straddle a little bit more instead of being high-sided on one side. Once in a while you're going to have to do that, but it would have been better to do it here because you had a natural thing to bring you back up where you were slanted there for quite a bit. Advice over.
Okay.
That you're not going to take.
She rode down with you.
Yeah. I'm not going that fast. I'm comfortable right where I'm at. Yep.
How'd you get behind me? I've come to a dead end.
Yep. You're gonna get that close. Weekend is over, George. Mama coming, Georgie?